Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on Capital One app. It's not something difficult, like just some simple steps that I'm going to share with you in this video, and you're going to be able to change language on Capital One app. So without wasting your time, guys, let me go to my phone and share with you the steps. So I'm going to open the browser, and as you can see, guys, these are the 5 steps that you need to follow in order to change language on Capital One app. So for the first step, which is you need to sign in to online banking. So if you don't have an account, all you need to do is to sign up now, okay? And then click on or select account and feature settings from drop down menu in the top right corner, and then select the pencil icon next to online viewing to change the language that you use to view your online banking site. For the fourth step, which is select the pencil icon next to statements, emails and correspondence to choose the language you would like us to use when sending you communications. And for the last step, which is the 5-1, which is when you're finished, all you need to do is to press on the save button, and like this, you just did it. You just changed the language on Capital One app. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.